Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Hope you had a nice new year as well. It's Saturday morning here, just kind of chilling to be honest. Let me show you a couple of quick Blender tips so I don't completely waste your time here. First one is if you right click you can go to area and you can duplicate the area into a new window. Perfect if you're working on a second monitor or whatever. Right, you know what you can use it for. You can do that with most of the areas to be honest. Another thing is we have two principal shader nodes here. So we can grab this and we can actually drag and drop it onto another colour node. Comes in handy if you just want to quickly copy colours over. So why am I making this video? Why am I wasting your time if you're watching this? You may have noticed that the video is called Business in the Front, Party in the Back, yeah. So it's just to kind of give you a heads up. I've started to upload YouTube shorts now. I'm not a TikToker, I'm not a YouTube shorter. But what it does do is it boosts my view count. Now, you don't make any revenue from this, or you don't make as much revenue as a main video like this. So I'm not really doing it for the money per se. But because I took such a long break from YouTube, YouTube basically says, like, your channel's dead, you're fucked, you're done. So I'm not getting any traction on videos, or not as much traction. Maybe it's the content I'm making, to be honest. Maybe the content's just shit. Who knows, who knows. So anyway, I've started to upload YouTube shorts, and they're completely in a different direction from the channel. Now, just to give you a little bit of background information, when I first went to college, can't even remember when it was, fucking years ago. It was TV, media, and broadcast. 3D was just Lightwave 7 was around at the time, so what are you talking, 15, 16 years ago now? Anyway, it was TV, video, and broadcast. You used mini DVD tapes at the time, and I think the resolution was 720p. Anyway, my background is generally video photography, and then I went into 3D. So doing YouTube shots are actually good fun for me. Now, I'm not a TikToker, I don't know how to do fancy transitions, all that crap. I could probably learn it, but I'm just uploading random shit to YouTube shorts, and it'll be more life focused, like my dog and stuff like this. Just crap YouTube shorts. But what it does do is it boosts the views on the channel, and it helps a little bit, to be honest. But when it comes to like Blender stuff, that'll be the main channel. That'll be the main videos. It's just to give you a heads up, to be honest. It's just so you don't click on the channel and think, "What the fuck is this?" And that's about it, to be honest. Have a nice weekend and take it easy. If you've got anything, comments, suggestions, blah 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 for the channel, I'm kind of starting to think what I need to do with YouTube. Anyway, who cares? Nobody. Take it easy. Yes, don't need to edit this video because I'm so fucking good.